Hey guys, welcome to Ham Radio with K0PIR, my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, click on that subscribe button below and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Here's a real good one. I had a question the other day about GridTracker and wsjt-x. GridTracker wasn't pulling any data from wsjt-x, and the ham had everything set up right, ports set up right, the UDP ports, but something was blocking it. And I've had that happen before. I suspect it was my antivirus software. I use a vast one, and even turning it off, I couldn't get it to work. So what I did was I went in and changed the port number just to get by. And right now you'll see there's no messages coming in, and I've got wsjt-x running here. There's nobody on the band right now. It's early in the morning and I'm on 20 meters. But anyway, it should be pulling in some data here. But that's what it looks like when it's not working. So what I did was went into wsjt-x and changed the port. This is GridTracker, but I went into wsjt-x and changed the port from 2237 to 2247. That's what it's set in wsjt-x right now. And if I go in GridTracker and set it to the same port, we'll start getting some data. There we go. The received from wsjt-x UDP messages. So that's a quick fix if you're having that problem. You know, maybe you have some software blocking that port, or maybe you have antivirus software running and it's causing a problem. And even turning it off, it won't fix it for you. So a quick fix is just go in there and change that port. Okay, well, I hope this helps some of you, and I hope you got something out of this video. Please visit my store below. If you look below, you'll see a store tab on my YouTube channel, and I've got some great ham radio tees there, some new designs, and I'm working on a few more. So if you want to support this channel, go to that store and find a t-shirt or a mug that you like and buy it from the store. Thanks for watching. I hope to hear you on the air. 73 and good DX.